Let's see how we can write and run C code in Visual Studio Code. First, to run C code, we need a C compiler. To install a C compiler, first we need to go to Google and download and install a C compiler. Let's type mingw download. And now click on this first result from sourceforge.net. Click on download. Once this is downloaded, open the installer, click next again, continue. Now, as you can see, it is complete. Click on continue, and now you will see a bunch of options here. So these are the compilers that we need to install so that our Visual Studio Code can run C code or C++ code. So first click on this base one, mark for installation, and then click on this GCC G++ and mark this for installation. These two are selected. Click on this installation and click on apply changes. Click on apply, and this will download and install those compilers. So as you can see, everything is installed. You will see this message, all changes were applied successfully. You may now close this dialog. Now let's close this and open our VS Code. Now that we have installed C++ and C compiler, let's create a file and let's see if we can compile this file. So click on create new file. Just select text built-in, and from here select the language. Type C. Select C, and now you can write C code here. Let's quickly write a hello world program. We have this program. Let's save it somewhere. Let's go to desktop and create a new folder. Let's call it my first C project. Let's save it here. Let's call it app.c. And now click on this run and click run without debugging. So as you can see here, you'll get an error message. Now click on cancel, go to your extensions by clicking on this button here or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Type C, you will see a bunch of options. Select this one from Microsoft, C/C++ with this green icon here. Click on this, click install. This is installed. You will see this message, this extension is enabled globally. Now go back to your file and click on run, and you can again run without debugging. And if you see these options, click on the first one, gdb/lldb, and then click on this first one again, gcc.exe1, and now your compiling will start. As you can see, our code has compiled and we can see this message, hello world from C. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.